So you're saying he's watching porn with white women in it,
Yeah.
and you think if you're watching porn with white women in it, you like white
cherries,
women.
you like cherry, you don't want brownies, right?
Okay. Mr. Harrow, can you respond to that allegation?
Right from the start, this courtroom takes a wild turn. The woman claims her man is watching porn with white women, and in her mind, that means he doesn't like brownies, only cherries. The judge looks shocked, the audience is confused, and honestly, who wouldn't be? This is the kind of moment where you ask yourself, is this a court case or a reality show audition? Would you be upset if your partner watched adult content with people who don't look like you?
That you watch a lot of porn and of women of different ethnicities.
Yes, ma'am, I do. I watch porn, period. And I told her that when we met. That's where I learned most of my sexual experiences from. You know, besides going on to the street and doing what.
The judge finally turns to the man and asks if he really does this. And he admits it. Proudly. He watches porn. A lot of it. All kinds. And according to him, that's where he learned most of his sexual differences. Not romance, not communication, not life experience. Just the internet. The honesty is bold, but the timing, terrible.
Everybody else wanted to do.
Right.
And
You
just-
just watch it.
Yes, ma'am, I just watch.
He's more experienced than he let on. And he
But-
just tells them stories, but Derek is puppy training me in that area. He's way more experienced than he let on.
Well, you can learn a lot from those. Not that I know.
But wait, she says he's actually more experienced than he pretends to be. She calls it puppy training, saying he's basically coaching her with all the skills he learned. Suddenly, this courtroom feels like an overshare Olympics. Do you believe couples should openly talk about their past experiences, or does it only create problems?
I might imagine that the people on those things know a few things because that's what they do for a living, and
Right.
maybe he's just teaching you what he's learned by watching
He's
the
really
porn.
experienced. He know a lot, more.
The judge tries to lighten the moment, saying, you can learn a lot from those. Then quickly adds, not that I know. The whole room laughs, but the woman isn't joking. She insists he knows way more than he admits. Drama point. This isn't just a complaint. It's insecurity mixed with suspicion, mixed with frustration.
Well, aren't you happy about
But
that?
I only do it with her.
Aren't you happy about that, though?
I mean, it's
Isn't
no
that
complaint.
good?
But Derek puts me to sleep and stuff before.
Hey, that's my job. That's my job.
Hang on.
He puts
That's my
me.
job.
Here's where the twist comes in. She admits the problem isn't his experience. It's that he uses those skills a little too well. She literally says, Derek puts me to sleep. Not romantically, physically, as in she wakes up right before he gets home from work. Emotional weight? That's not intimacy. That sounds more like exhaustion.
Puts
I go
me
to work.
sleep.
Mr. Harrell.
And I
I'm
won't
sorry.
get up until right before he come home. He knows how to keep me in bed to where I'm not functioning or moving until he come home.
Well, wait a minute.
But I'm a good man.
Wait a minute. Wait. When you say he puts you to sleep in a manner that you can't function, is he doing it through the knowledge?
She says he keeps her in bed, not functioning or moving. And the judge's eyes go wide. This isn't funny anymore. This is serious. The judge asks if this is because of what he learned from porn, and she says yes. Suddenly, the whole case shifts from jealousy to concern.
he gained through porn?
Yes, ma'am. Exactly.
I don't think it's from porn.
I think so.
it's from
I know so.
experience.
Whatever he got that information, if he is knocking you out.
She then adds, I don't think it's from porn. I think it's from experience. And now the courtroom energy changes again, because that's a heavy accusation. The judge steps in and basically asks the real question. If this man is knocking you out like that, what exactly are you angry about? Drama point? She's upset but also bragging. She's confused but also complaining. There's pain mixed with pride.
Out like that. What are you mad about?
This case shows a couple who have communication issues, trust issues, and intimacy issues, all being aired out in front of a judge. The man admits to watching porn and having a lot of experience. The woman feels insecure, overwhelmed, and sometimes physically drained by the relationship. And the judge? She's simply trying to figure out if there's an actual legal issue or just a very dramatic relationship meltdown. Professional summary of the case. This hearing wasn't about money, divorce, or custody. It was about emotional conflict. The woman accused her partner of being too experienced, too influenced by adult content, and too physically intense. The judge questioned whether this was a matter of incompatibility rather than wrongdoing. In the end, the case highlights a couple struggling to understand each other, communicate healthy boundaries, and manage insecurity. Final CTA. If you enjoyed dramatic courtroom moments like this, make sure to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to stay updated with more real-life cases that will leave you shocked, emotional, and entertained. Whose side are you on in this case? Let me know in the comments.